Hi guys, this is Rahul and today I'll be unboxing the amazing Genius SlimStar ME wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I just got my hands on it a few days back and I've been using it extensively for you guys and testing it to make sure that it's good enough to be recommended. And this is what the product looks like. It's a very cool combination of a wireless keyboard and mouse, and I was very satisfied while using it at various different levels, especially when you consider the various features of the product. Here they are, and I must say, a 1200 dpi optical mouse, a wireless optical mouse at this price is very good. Plus it's very affordable, and that's what makes it such a great combination. The keyboard out here, as you can see, it's very cool. It's a very nice looking keyboard with nice responsive keys, have this great chiclet like effect that gamers will also like, and type a lot of people who do a lot of typing work, they will also enjoy. There is a stand. There are a couple of stands on the keyboard, perfect for resting it on an incline when you're doing a lot of hard long typing work. And the keyboard itself can be powered by simple AAA batteries available at any store, and the plastic quality is very good. It has this nice ruggedness to it that I really liked. Coming to the mouse, it's a nice slim lightweight mouse. It can easily fit into the palm of your hand, and the combination of the keyboard and mouse is very good. The wireless receiver is obviously, it works in an instant. Turn it on, switch it on, and it starts working. And there is at the back of the mouse, there is the switch on and off button. You switch it on and you can see that the red laser light comes on immediately, and it's obviously smart to kind of switch it off when you're not using it. This mouse is perfect for mid-level 3D gaming. The buttons are good enough to be used, has this nice click effect that gamers really like. All in all, both the keyboard and the mouse, they were a pleasure to use, and I thank Genius for giving me the opportunity to have used it. I will see you soon, guys, with another exciting product to unbox. Thank you, guys. Take care.